Hey everyone, welcome back to Airlines Quest. Today, we're diving into some of the hottest news. From labor negotiations at Boeing to route changes at Emirates, we've got a packed show for you. So fasten your seatbelts and let's take off. First up, let's talk about the big news from Boeing. Remember the tension that's been building between the company and its workers? Well, we might be seeing some light at the end of the runway. On September 8, 2024, Boeing and the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers, IAM District 751, announced a tentative agreement. Now, this isn't just any deal. It includes a commitment to build Boeing's next new aircraft in the Puget Sound region, Washington. You've got to remember, though, this comes following a challenging year for Boeing, especially after that incident with the Alaska Airlines 737 MAX 9 back in January. Here's what's on the table: a 25% pay increase over 4 years, reduced healthcare costs, and increased company contributions to retirement security. More than 33,000 employees will vote on this deal on September 12, 2024. Boeing's hoping this will prevent any strikes, which would be another headache they really don't need right now. Stephanie Pope, Boeing Commercial Airplanes president and CEO, called it a historic offer. But what do you think? Is this enough to satisfy the workers? Let us know in the comments below. Now, let's fly over to Europe, where things are looking a bit turbulent for Air Belgium. Remember when they halted passenger operations last year? Well, the situation has only gotten more challenging. On September 3, 2024, Air Belgium appeared before the Nivelles Business Tribunal. The verdict? They've got just 2 weeks to find a solution, or they could be facing bankruptcy. The airline needs about 18 million euros. That's $19.6 million in the short term to stay afloat. There was a glimmer of hope with Chinese cargo airline Sichuan Airlines showing interest, but they've since backed out. However, a last-minute potential investor has given Air Belgium a bit more time. Will it be enough? Only time will tell. Lastly, let's talk about a significant change in Emirates' route network. The Gulf carrier is ending its long-running flights between Melbourne and Singapore. This route has been operating since 1996, so it's quite a shakeup. Why the change? Well, the Singapore-Melbourne corridor is getting pretty crowded. We're talking about 10 flights a day shared between various airlines. Emirates will continue its 4 daily flights between Singapore and Dubai, and its double daily frequency between Melbourne and Dubai. Now, if you're a frequent flyer, you might be mourning the loss of that popular Singapore-Melbourne leg. It was a favorite among Qantas frequent flyers, offering a luxurious first-class experience for just 107,700 Qantas points. Emirates hasn't announced the exact termination date yet, but they're still selling tickets through August 2025. So if you've been eyeing that route, you might want to book sooner rather than later. And that wraps up our aviation news recap for today. From labor negotiations to financial troubles and route changes, it's been a busy month in the aviation world. What do you think about these developments? Will Boeing's deal satisfy its workers? Can Air Belgium find a last-minute savior? And how will Emirates' route change affect your travel plans? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more aviation updates.